Magandang gabi kapwa manggagawa. I'm Giselle Ivan, President of the Contractual Workers Union. We stand for the right and welfare contractual workers in the Philippines. For too long, contractual workers have faced precarious employment, lacking the security and benefits afforded to regular employees. We fight for regular employees, we fight for fair wage and health insurance, retirement plans and basic rights. Every workers deserve. We advocate for the end of the exploitative practice that leave many families struggling. Our union actively engaged in negotiation with employees, lobbying for legislation that protects contractual workers, and providing legal assistance to our members. We believe in the power of collective bargaining to achieve meaningful. Together, we can make a difference. Visit our website or contact us at this information to learn more and join the Contractual Workers Union. Mabuhay! Here are a few examples of testimonials members in my union, and I will share it to all of you. This one is focused on overcoming hardship. Before the union, I was constantly worried about losing my job. We were underpaid and overworked. Management did not listen to our concern, but since the union came in, things have changed dramatically. We have fair contract, better wage, and safe working environment. The union gave me voice back and sense of security I never had before. That's all po, and I thank you po. My name is Ivan Giselle, President of Union.